It's finally time to show you guys my new vanity, and you guys, it took 4 hours to build. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my new vanity, and I'm also going to show you guys how I end up organizing my makeup as well. There's a bunch of drawers which I love so much, and that is the reason why I bought this vanity. But I will say it took 4 hours to build, so you really have to spend a lot of time working on it, and we didn't finish it in one day. It took 2 days because we didn't want to sit there for a full 4 hours, you know. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys my outfit, and then show you guys what I got for the vanity, and then I will finally show you guys my new. It's raining outside, you guys, today. That is the reason why I decided to wear something cozy, because we are actually staying home today. But anyways, the first thing that I want to talk about is the top. So I actually got this one from Victoria's Secret for only $15, if you guys remember. And if you guys missed that shopping spree, definitely check it out after this video, because I tried on a bunch of clothes and everything was pretty much $15 or under. But another reason why I love this top is the front pocket. I think it's super cute, and it just says love pink, and this top looks so good with these leggings. But I would love to know what you guys think. But if you want to pick this up, definitely check out the box down below, because I always put links for like my Apple Watch band, my camera case, and like the equipment that I use to vlog. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys the organizers that I got for the vanity. So I went to the home store to buy organizers, and they actually have really nice ones for a really good price, so definitely go there. But whenever I was checking out, I found some really cute mugs, and it was only priced at $6, you guys. Really good deal. And this one is so pretty. It was actually the last one. So it says hello gorgeous in gold, which is so beautiful. I love the fact that it says it on the other side as well. So on the top it's white, on the bottom is a beautiful shade. And this coffee mug is really adorable. So it says love at first bite. I seriously love this one so much. It's a very light pink color, and look at the gold around it, you guys. So gorgeous. So everything about this coffee mug is so adorable, and it was actually the last one as well. So I definitely scored on these coffee mugs, and I'm going back to the home store to get 2 more pink ones, and then my holder will be complete, because right now I just have 2 coffee mugs because I forgot to pack my old ones back at the old place. So I'm very disappointed about that, because I had a lot of cute ones. But I guess it's nice to start over, you know, because we just got a new house. So very happy about these, and it was priced at $6. So it's finally time to move on to the organizers. This one is only $3, you guys. Really good deal, and I think it's really pretty because whenever the light hits it, it turns different colors. Hopefully you can see that it turns like blue, yellow, and orange. I also see pink, so these are very unique. But I decided to go ahead and get 2 of these, and I'm probably going to put my lipsticks or nail polishes. We will see what I end up doing. But they have a lot of these at the store, so if I need more, then it's just down the street from me. And this makeup organizer is priced at $6, so really good deal. And the reason why I picked it up is because it advertises like blushes and bronzers, like the medium-sized ones, and it's supposed to fit perfectly in here. So we will see. Like, I have so many bronzers and blushes that look like this, and it does fit in the drawer. So I'm very happy about these 4 products right here, and I'm pretty sure I have to go back to get more of these because I have so much, you guys. It's crazy, and I'm still going through boxes, so I know there's more makeup hiding somewhere. I also love shopping at Five Below, so I actually found these dollar organizers, and I got 3 of them. It was actually the last 3 because everyone was buying out the pink ones, but there was a bunch of blue and green, so keep that in mind. I might just put like my palettes in here. We will see what I do with these. And I also bought these small bins for only $2.25, so another great deal. But unfortunately they only had 2 left, and I wish they had like 2 more. That would have been perfect, but hopefully the next time I go I can find more of these. And I was shocked to find this at the Target dollar spot for only $3, so really good deal. I highly recommend this, and they were running out, so if you see it, just buy it. But the reason why I like it is because you can fit your brushes right here. You can put a bunch of like mascaras, lipstick. It's a really nice organizer for only $3, and for the last 3 weeks I've been doing my makeup in front of this mirror, so it has been a hot mess. So that is the reason why I picked this one up, and my mornings are way better. But now that I have a vanity, I can definitely, you know, declutter and rearrange everything. But my favorite organizer is this one right here for only $25. Seriously, steal. And the drawers are so deep, so you can fit so much in here, and I actually still have a lot of room, so I'm probably going to add a lot more in here in the future. But I definitely have to rearrange since I do have drawers, and I want to like declutter this area and just put my favorites, because this one is going to sit on my vanity, so I don't want it to look like a hot mess in here. And I love how I can put this on here and it fits perfectly. So really cute, you guys. I love it. But I'll put a link down below for this acrylic organizer. But it's finally time to show you guys my vanity. We paid almost $300 for this vanity, you guys, and I think it's definitely worth it. The size of the mirror is super big. I love it. And you also get a lot of space on the top to put your makeup on. And look at the drawers, you guys. You get 7 of them, which is a lot. And 4 of the drawers are actually super deep, as you guys can see. And of course I had to buy this pink vanity chair from the home store, and it was priced at $50, so really good deal. And we also got the light strip from the home store as well. This organizer is actually really nice for only $6, and it's going to fit the LA Colors highlighters, eyeshadows, and blushes. You guys know I own every single one, so I can't wait to find them. They're somewhere tucked away in a box, so after I'm done making this video, I'm definitely going to look for them. And the makeup in here is way too big for these organizers, which is kind of disappointing, but hopefully this one fits in that drawer right here. I'm going to put this one in the big drawers because I know it's not going to fit in the small ones. Honestly, I don't want anything on top of the vanity, so I'm actually going to put my favorite products in these little bins. And here's the next storage bin that I want to use, so I decided I'm going to put my foundation in here, my primer, and then of course like the bronzers and highlighters. And these are my everyday products, you guys, so I'm always going to reach for the storage bin. I also want to put my fake eyelashes in here, and you guys know I love this pair so much, and I need to go back downstairs to grab the other eyelashes that I bought. They're extra long and super beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, I almost forgot to take out the makeup in here, and I used this whenever I was on vacation for 2 weeks, so I'm glad that I remembered because I would have totally forgot about the makeup in here. I forgot to show you guys this one, so I got it from Five Below for only $4, and I decided I'm going to put all of my scrunchies in here, and I still have to find my other scrunchies in a box, but these are what I found so far. Everything is so colorful and cute. To use the last extra small bin for my favorite palette, so it fits perfectly in here, and this palette is so beautiful, you guys. I love the pink. So I have 2 more drawers on the top that I can use, so I decided for one of them that I'm going to put my favorite headbands. You guys know I love the pearl ones, and these are only $15 on Amazon, so I'll put a link down below for these as well. Lunchtime, you guys, so I'm actually pretty hungry, but anyways, I think the vanity turned out very well, and I still have 3 drawers that I can use, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those drawers yet, but definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to see what I end up doing. And I didn't end up using the $3 organizers because the nail polishes aren't going to fit in there, but let me know what I should do with them in the comment section down below. I might be able to put some more lipsticks, but I feel like those organizers are way better, you know, so I would rather return those and get the $6 one instead. But before I go, I just have to show you guys the end result. result. So the acrylic organizer looks really funny on the top. As you guys can see, I barely have space to put stuff, so I might end up putting that one underneath the sink in the bathroom because it won't fit in one of the drawers, which is so disappointing. The IKEA one, actually you could fit something that big in there, which is really nice. But what do you guys think? Should I leave it up? Just let me know. So in the first drawer, I just put my favorites in here. So I'm going to use these bins every single day. And I also put my favorite eyelashes tucked in the back. I even put hair ties too. I go through those so fast. In the second drawer, I don't have anything yet. Do you guys have any ideas? Just let me know. And the last drawer on the top just has my favorite headbands, which I showed you guys earlier. Honestly, this one is my favorite drawer because I have my favorite lipsticks down here. I also have a bunch of lipsticks in this acrylic organizer too. I love the fact that it's really easy to grab, you know, so I might end up just keeping this acrylic organizer on the top, but I'm very happy with this drawer so far. And the other one, I just put like random foundations in here and concealers. And of course, I have the bin full of scrunchies. These are seriously my favorite. If you guys like the tie-dye ones, I'll put a link down below. I also don't have anything in these two drawers down here, so there is still a lot of space, but I'm very happy overall. I had so much fun making this video, but now it's time for lunch. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up for me, and if you are new, definitely stick around, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys more in my next one.